Here I have iPad mini 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to disable accessibility shortcuts on this device. So accessibility shortcuts is when you triple press your power button here, and you can access accessibility shortcuts. But if you want to disable this feature, just go to the settings, then to the accessibility section, accessibility shortcuts, remove all ticks from here, and after that this feature will be disabled. And as you can see, I triple press this button, but it does nothing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.